Hello my dear students, welcome you all on YourPedia Global. So my dear students, if you are from the computer science branch and your dream is to pursue your higher degree from the foreign universities, then my dear students, in this video I am going to tell you some of the great opportunities you have. So talking about the first one opportunity, that is in the University of Newcastle. Here the proposed research area is in the field of AI. As you know, right now it's an era of AI, and if you get such an opportunity, then please don't skip that opportunity. So my dear student, in the University of Newcastle, UK, here the proposed research area is AI. The course duration is 3.5 years, last date is 7th of August, and keep in mind it is fully funded. So my dear students, it's a very good opportunity for you if you want to pursue your higher degree from the foreign universities, and it is again one of the good university, that is Newcastle University, UK. Talking about the prerequisites, so English is not that much mandatory. Find applicants whose first language is not the English, but you require IELTS with an overall score of 6.5 and with a minimum of 5.5 in all these subparts or sub skills, and you should be graduate from computer science or all these related degrees. So my dear students, again, if you are from a computer science background and if you want to pursue your higher degree in the field of AI, then this is a good opportunity for you. Moving towards the second opportunity is in the University of Monmouth University, England. Here the proposed research area is towards productive cyber resilience and safety analysis in model-based system engineering. So it's related to cyber security or cyber security. Fine. So my dear students, if you are a bit interested in cryptography, in networking, in cyber security, then you can pursue your higher degree in this domain. So the course duration is 3.5 years, last date is 29th of July. Keep in mind it is again fully funded. The prerequisites required is first class degree with the CGPA is more than 8. Fine. Moving towards the next opportunity, that is in the University of Brulon University, London. So here again you have the proposed research area, that is AI. Fine. So keep in mind my dear students, if you want to pursue your higher degree, then, and if you are again the computer science background students, so keep in mind my dear students, you have to implement AI in your model or in your research. Fine. So in the era of AI, so you can pursue your higher degree in these universities. Again the course duration is 3.5 years, last date is 7th of August, again fully funded, and the same requirement is here, that 8 CGPA should be there, and overall 6.5 IELTS score and 5.5 in sub skills. So if you want to know more about all these opportunities, please visit the respective domains. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to YourPedia Global team. My dear students, next opportunity in the field in university is Royal Holloway University of London, and here the research area is software supply chain ecosystem. So if you are pursuing your higher degree in the field of software engineering, then you can go here. The course duration is 3.5 years, last date is 18th of August, again fully funded, and see the scholarship. It's a very good scholarship, and the prerequisite is excellent written and verbal communication skill, ability to work independently and as a part of team, postgraduate in the relevant branch. Fine, that is the computer science or software engineering. So the next opportunity you have is in the University of Sheffield, UK, and here the proposed research area is machine learning based survival modeling with application to joint replacement analysis. The point means here you have to apply the machine learning algorithm with the healthcare sectors. So the course duration is 3.5 years, last date is 31st of July, scholarship is fully funded. Again the prerequisites are same, that is an approved English language qualification, that is IELTS, score of 6.5, examination is also required for international candidate. So my dear students, these are some of the opportunities, and we see here that all the opportunities are almost related in the field of AI or either in the field of ML. So if you want to pursue your higher degree in this field, so these are some of the great opportunities you have. So don't skip these universities, and if you have any doubt, either you can go to the URL of these universities or you can reach out to YourPedia Global. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.